What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I actually am back because I received a few questions about this program, and I'm basically going to answer the question and go over this system once again. All right, you can go to this link to check this out. Actually, I created another page right here. Well, I didn't create it. I'm using another page. So go to this page. Hang on a second. Go to this page right here. Make money online. Unlimited $100 payments on autopilot. Okay. So you're going to see this page. Opt into this page. And then you're going to see the video that you need to watch to check out this program and see what it's all about. Okay. All right. So you're going to check this out. You want to watch this video. How to make $100 to $2,000 instant daily commissions. This video is responsible for multiple $2,000 paydays. Every from a novice to pro can now excel at making money online. All right. So make sure you check this out. All right, guys. So someone asked, hey, if I come in at that G100, will I lose sales if someone come in at a higher level and purchase the higher products? And also, if not, how do I go from one level to the next? So do I just pay the difference? You know, how does that work? So we'll go over that comp plan, guys. All right, so let's talk about this 9-year-old program that I've been promoting since 2016. I've been an affiliate for. Okay, a lot of these programs don't stick around that long. So we're talking 9 years, and the owner is present and hands-on with this program. All right, so future-proof tools and training for marketers, robust solutions to help you learn, grow, build, and profit. So they wanted to know, hey, if I go ahead and come in at that $100 product, let's go there. Let's go there. So the $100 product, so it's the Genesis products, right? So wait a minute, let me go back to the page that I really am looking for. Hang on a second. Genesis, oh, here we go. I think it's this one. Hang on one second. All right, this is where I want it to be, the library, because that's what you are investing in. The digital training, the education library, the online money generating education program, right? So they were interested in, hey, the $100 product, the G100. Let's get this over here. The G100, the perfect place to start. I say start where you are. If that's where you can start, go for it, guys. That's what I do love about this platform. There's room to grow. Okay? So if you come here and you later on want to upgrade, you can do that. So anyway, the person was asking, hey, if I come in at the G100, we'll get into that in a second. So what's included in the G100? You get 8 courses to help you get your marketing off to a perfect start. From building your list to going live on Facebook, you will discover the very basics of setting up and running a successful online business. So you get these 8 courses. Here they are. Okay. This is audio, so you'll have video and audio here. Here's all the courses you'll get, and every time someone purchases this G100, you make $100 over and over and over and over and over. Okay, there's a lot of good courses here. If you take a look, 10K Blueprint, Big Ticket Machine, Social Messaging Apps for Marketers, Facebook Groups Unleashed, Instagram, Big Business Blueprint, Email List Secrets, Cryptocurrency Secrets. Okay, so a lot of good info here. Now, so how much is it to get started here at the G100? It's going to be $100 will go to your sponsor. So let's say you signed up with me. $100 will come to me, then 49 goes to the company. And this is a one-time payment, okay? There's no monthly fees with these products. One time, all right? And so you're able to earn 100 over and over and over. Now, they asked, okay, so if someone comes in at the G250, G500, G1000, or G2000, am I going to lose the sale? Am I going to make any money? Yes, you are. So let's go over that comp plan. Hang on, get out right here on the page. Comp plan. You do not need to participate in the compensation plan to be a member. Okay, they're talking about people that don't want to sell the program. They just want to buy the product and learn. So they have that option. So 100% of the Genesis package commissions are paid directly to you. Okay. The optional You First compensation plan is the fairest, most intuitive, and most rewarding in the high-ticket industry. That also makes it the most exciting in the industry. I like that about this. Again, they have low-ticket, mid-ticket, and high-ticket. Okay, so there's a place for everybody in this program. All right, so traditionally, with the traditional one-up plan, you pass up your first product sale commissions at any level, along with the person purchasing the product to your sponsor. Once you've done that, you're qualified at that level. However, in most programs, other than this program, most other programs, you have to qualify and pass up commissions at each level. You can often pass up 3 or 4 people and the commission generated as you upgrade to the higher, more profitable levels, but not with Exodus Elite. To us at Exodus, this does not seem fair. So you will only ever pass up one person ever, only pay the difference between the membership levels. So this person asked me, hey, later on, if I want to go up to the $250 or the $1,000 level, how would that work? So you would pay the difference and only pay the difference between the products when you upgrade. And you'll pay the difference. So let's say you come in at the G100 and you want to later go to the G250. So you're going to pay the difference, and then we're going to look at what the admin fee is for that G250. Okay? So that's how that works. Now, back to, am I going to lose the sale? No, you're still going to make $100. So if someone comes in and purchases the G250, you make 100, the other 150 will pass up. And that's how it will go for each product. So if you come in at G100 and somebody comes in at G1000, you make 100, 900 will pass up. Okay? So let's take a look at the fees, so you can see the difference in the prices as you go up the ladder. Hang on. And when you click that join button, just make sure it says earn with Pandora. Okay, that way you know you've signed up with me. Now, so let's take a look. This membership. This is a membership. Okay, one-time admin fee. That's lifetime membership for just one payment, one time. So let's say you wanted to do the G100. You click here, and it tells you you will pay $49. That goes to the company. You will pay your sponsor $100. All right. The G250, if you wanted to go sign up with that level, is $250 and then $99. So let's say you want to go from that G100 to the G250. You pay the difference, right? $150, and then you would pay that $99 to the company. So see, the admin fee is different for each product level. Let's see what it would be if you go G500. See, it'd be $199. So let's say you're at the G100 and you want to go up to the G500. The difference between the 100 and 500 is 400, right? So you're going to pay 400 to your sponsor, and then you would pay $199 to the company. See, the admin fee is different. If we go up to the G1000, it's $1,000 plus $299. So if you're at the G1000, you're going to pay the difference. You're going to pay $900, right? Then you're going to pay $299 to the company. Okay, that's the difference. And so forth. G2000, same thing, the difference, and then pay the admin of $399 to the company. All right, guys. So yes, you would still make the level at which you join. If you come in at the G250 and you sell a G500 product, you make $250. The other $250 passes up to your sponsor. All right, guys. So I hope that clarifies that, which I think is fair. So you don't lose the whole sale. Because if you're out here promoting, and you're at the G100, and I don't think it's fair for you to have to pass up the whole sale. You should at least make that. So they've made that fair. I like the way this is set up. All right, and here's some more proof payment, and I've shown you guys proof payments before, where I've received $100 payments. Okay, now this is, you see, this is me. This is via Stripe, which means someone used their debit card or credit card. So you can accept payments any way you want, guys. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card. So here is just one of the accounts, because you know we can accept payments any way we want. Now here is 17 payments of $100 over and over and over and over. Okay, so this program works if you work the program. All right, and we'll show you how to do that without bugging friends and family. Okay, then finally, remember this program has a call center. So their call center will do all the selling and telling for you. They're going to answer all the questions for you, so you don't have to worry about doing that. Now, when they do that, it will be an 80-20 split. Okay? So if the person calls the call center, the company's going to get 20%, you're going to get 80%. But if they never call the call center and they just call you and ask you a few questions, you'll keep 100% of the commissions. Okay, guys? So just remember that. And this is a good feature, especially for new people that feel uncomfortable answering questions, okay? Or even a busy person like myself. I may miss the call. You know, I'll call you back, but I may not answer on that first call, first ring, right? And it goes to voicemail, and the person kind of gets impatient and say, well, I'll just call the call center. Well, guess what? Instead of them just hanging up and going on about their day and forgetting all about the program, they decide to call the call center. The call center answers their questions and closes the sale. I'm not mad at that. I still get 80%. Okay? So it's still a great feature and a great deal. All right, guys. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, earning instant commissions any way you want, you decide how you want to get paid. You just set that up in the back office and you're good to go. All right, and then you're earning and learning at the same time. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. All right, like the video, please, and thank you. Until next time, be safe out there. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.